had gone to Mount Kailash Yatra. It was very interesting, and the tour organizers and those who are organizing, they said people talk so much about the light flame on the top of the mountain and the light dipping in the Sarovar, Mansarovar, the flame light dip and all that. We have never seen anything. More than 18 times we have come. So we have not. Actually, what happens is, if you are not connected, that physical body, you are doing it with the physical body, the mind is not connected. You are away, you are not connected with the life. You are only connected with the body. So a Shiva Yogi must connect the mind, emotion with everything. So he said, oh yeah, you didn't see. So come in the morning, let me see. That lady, she said, okay. And he said, look at the mountain top. She said, yes, nothing is there. He held her hand and pressed it. And as he pressed, the flame appeared. And she said, look, there is a flame, there is a flame. And it remained for a very long time. And then he said, what is happening? And she saw a lot of tiny flames coming and diving in the Mansarovar. So it is happening all over. Only thing, we have to open our third eye, our inner vision, to experience the divinity. Because it is the law of physics. What is the law of physics is that even the sound you might have practiced in the physics lab, the tongue is there, you just hit slowly and you hear a sound. And you hit faster, the frequency increases and you can't hear. That does not mean that the sound waves are not there, but they are of a higher frequency than your perception power. Similarly is the vision also. If it is of a lower frequency, up to the level which you can perceive, you can see. But the moment that frequency is increased, it is not visible. And to have those divine experiences, you must purify yourself so that you can vibrate at that frequency. And only then you can experience it. There was out-of-body experience of a person who died and again he came back. So what he was explaining, his experience he was mentioning, as he was going to the light, and then he heard a voice, and that voice was guiding him. And after some time he said, why you do not come in front of me? Why you are only speaking to me? Come in front of me and I want to see. And the voice said, I am in front of you. You have to purify yourself further so that you vibrate at that frequency where I am vibrating. I have lowered down my vibrations so that I could connect to you through my voice. But to see me, to feel me, you will have to, raise your vibrations. So one is experiences. Many times we have experiences, but we reject those experiences in meditation because we have a habit to see through the body.